Hi, my name is Sean Roosen. I'm the founder and chairman and CEO of Osisko Development Corporation, as well as the founder and chairman of Osisko Gold Royalties. Our group has brought to fruition many different projects in the gold sector, and we continue on with that evolution with the announcements today of Osisko Development Corporation. We announced the closing of another financing of over $68 million Canadian. This brings the total financing since the IPO in November to over 205 million Canadian dollars, or about 150 million US dollars. Osisko Development Corporation, the main assets here are these large gold deposit in the Cariboo region in Barkerville, British Columbia, located outside of Quesnel. And it's located about 200 miles north of the US border in central British Columbia and Western Canada. This is an exceptional project. With over 3.2 million ounces measured and indicated right now, and another 2.5 million ounces in inferred category. That makes it a world-class deposit. Within Osisko Development Corporation, we also have the San Antonio project, which is located in Sonora, Mexico, just outside of Hermosillo, one of the best states within Mexico. That project is a near-term open pit producer with over 1 million ounces of inferred resource, and we're looking to build a heap leach open pit there. The main event, however, is the Caribou Gold Project, which is over 50 miles of mineralized trend documented so far, with over 2 million meters of drilling to get us there. 2 million feet of drilling and 600,000 meters of drilling that's been executed by the Osisko Group since 2016 to really delineate what we believe is a world-class mining camp. So if you're looking at gold stocks to buy, real estate positioning is key. This company owns significant amount of real estate, what I like to refer to as waterfront within the gold business. Historic mining camp that's produced over 4 million ounces, and we're already at 3.2 million ounces of measured and indicated, with another 2.5 million ounces of inferred. The other thing that will be happening in Osisko Development, of course, is with the cash that we've got on hand, we are able to for lack of a better term, unleash the beast. And we're going to have about 14 drills turning in the first quarter and moving that on. The rig count will go up, COVID-19 restrictions allowing. So we're going to be one of the biggest drillers certainly in Western Canada for this year and for the next year and for the foreseeable future. We've also initiated the final feasibility study for the summer of 2021 that will set the stage for about a 4,750 ton a day mine, which should generate between 200 and 350,000 ounces a year of production for a continuous basis of more than 10 years, based on the 2019 PA study work that's been press released. So all in all, this is a great camp. It's developing. Company owns the assets 100%. We're well financed. We've got the 200 million in Canadian dollars in cash that we've announced, plus we own 120 million dollars in third-party equities. So really more than 300 million dollars available to finance our projects. No debt on the balance sheet. A team that's been there and done it before. We found and built Canadian Malartic, Canada's largest producing gold mine that now produces more than 700,000 ounces a year. And we've also been the Osisko Mining Corporation, our sister company, has been the biggest discovery of the Windfall camp in Quebec, which has been the big high-grade discovery in Windfall, with over 30 rigs turning there. So we're getting started here at Barkerville, and for a lot of new shareholders that have just joined us, welcome to the project. And we look at our partnership with the new shareholders that have just come on board as being very special. We have over 800 new shareholders joined us in this last financing. So it's a significant amount of people that have a seat at the table for this project. And we're just at the very beginning of this story. And we think this is a camp that has many, many things going on. We hope that this ends to be a central processing facility in our first mine that we're building, with many ramp access mines up and down the 50-mile trend to come. And we're also executing one of the larger drill programs in the world as we continue to ramp up here in Barkerville in central British Columbia. That said, this company is currently trading at about a $8.30 share price, but we think that on a comparable basis, there's a lot of value here for shareholders who are looking to add something new to their portfolio, with a lot of ounces to it, and a lot of credible management and investors behind it. We have some of the best institutional shareholders that put up the first $150 million that we raised in this company. So it's a well documented, well groomed shareholder base, and joined by our most recent retail shareholders. So I think we've got the formula right, and we're looking forward to delivering a lot of catalyst movements into the marketplace with the drilling results and the continuous advancement of the project. So in summary, 2021 is the beginning of what we call the Osisko the SUDS programs, which stands for Shut Up and Drill Stupid. With over $200 million in the bank account, we will bring the intensity to this project that it's never seen before. And we look forward to unlocking a huge amount of value in this 2,000 square kilometer camp that we 100% own with you, our shareholders. Thank you very much for your support, and we'll see you at the drill bit.